Dattatreya Hosabale is an Indian activist. He became the Sarkaryavah of the Rashtriya Swayamsewak Sangh in 2021. During the period of Indian emergency from 1975 to 1977, he was arrested under the Maintenance of Internal Security Act and imprisoned for 16 months. He also served as the General Secretary for the student organization, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, for 15 years. Dattatreya Hosabale was born in 1954 in Sarab in Shimoga, Karnataka. Hailing from a family of RSS activists, he is the founding trustee of India Policy Foundation, a non-profit policy research organization. He is a postgraduate in English literature from Mysore University. He joined RSS in 1968 and then ABVP in 1972. He became a full-time organizer in 1978. His stint in the ABVP encouraged the RSS higher-ups to appoint him General Secretary of the ABVP in 1978, and he held the post for over 15 years. He played an active role in setting up the Youth Development Center in Guwahati, Assam. He was the founding editor of Asima, a Kannada monthly. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.